Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, January 12, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am very good. But I need coffee. I am always tired in the morning.
I understand. The weekend was very short. I need coffee too.
Is the coffee machine working well today?
Yes, it is working. I am making a cappuccino right now.
Great. I want a black coffee. I have a long day ahead.
Do you have many meetings today?
Yes, I have 3 meetings with clients. It is very busy. What about you?
I have a project review at 10 o'clock. We are very busy too.
Work is always busy. But first, we enjoy our coffee.
Exactly. The coffee break is the best part of the morning.
Hey, did you read the news this week? There are some crazy stories.
I read a little bit. I saw something about the economy. Did you see it?
Yes, the story in the Wall Street Journal. It was from January 9.
That is the one. It is about the new tax on robots.
Yes, the Global Robot Tax Initiative. It is very controversial.
It says companies must pay 15% tax if they use robots.
That is correct. If a robot takes a human job, the company pays money.
It is a lot of money. 15% is high.
I work in sales. I think this is difficult for businesses
Why do you think that?
because robots are fast. Companies want to save money. This tax makes robots expensive.
That is true. But think about the workers, David.
What about the workers?
If robots take all the jobs, people have no money.
That is a good point. The article says the money goes to a public fund.
Yes, to help people who lose their jobs. I think it is fair.
Maybe it is fair. But my clients will be angry. They want to use automation.
Automation is good, but we need balance. Society is changing.
You are very logical, Alex. You always think about the structure.
I am a project manager. I have to think about the big picture.
Well, I just want to sell products. Robots or no robots.
I know. But imagine if a robot does your job, David.
A robot cannot do my job. I am too funny. A robot is not funny.
That is true. You are very funny. A robot is boring.
Exactly. Humans are still important. But 15% is still a big number.
We will see what happens. The law starts next year, right?
Yes, in 2027, we have time to prepare.
Changing the subject. Did you see the technology news on CNN?
Which one? There is always new technology.
The article from January 8th. It is about the memory lens.
Oh yes, the smart contact lenses? That is incredible.
It is incredible, but it is also a little scary.
Why is it scary? I think it is cool.
The lenses record everything you see 24 hours a day.
Yes, it records video of your life. You never forget anything.
But David, think about privacy. It is dangerous.
But imagine the benefits. I meet a client, I forget his name.
That happens to you often.
Yes, it does. But with the lens, I check the video. I remember the name.
That is useful for work. But what about personal life?
What do you mean?
If you wear the lenses, you record me. I do not want that.
But the article says there is a small light. You know I am recording.
A small light is not enough. People will hack it.
You worry too much. It connects to the cloud. It is secure.
Nothing is 100% secure online. CNN says privacy groups are very angry.
People are always angry about new tech. Then they use it every day.
Maybe. But recording everything is extreme. Do we need to remember everything?
I need to remember where my car keys are.
You lose your keys every day?
Yes. This lens is perfect for me. I can replay my morning and find the keys.
That is a practical use. But I prefer my natural memory.
You are lucky. You have a good memory. I need help.
It costs $500, right? That is expensive.
$500 is okay for a super memory. I want to buy them.
Please do not record our coffee breaks, David.
I promise. I will turn it off for coffee.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Did you see the other news? The one in the New York Times?
Was it the article from January 7?
Yes, about the school lunches.
The lab meet school mandate. That is a big topic for parents.
It is huge. My sister is very upset about it.
Why is she upset? Is it because of the cost?
No, the cost is free. It is about the food, no real meat allowed.
The law says only lab-grown meat or plants in public schools.
Exactly. Real beef and chicken are banned in the cafeteria.
The article says it is for the environment, to reduce carbon.
I understand the environment is important, but kids like real burgers.
Have you tasted lab-grown meat recently? It is very good.
It is okay, but it is not the same as science food.
All food is science, David. This is just cleaner.
But is it healthy? Parents worry about the long term.
The scientists say it is safe, and it uses 90% less water.
90% is a big difference. That is impressive.
Yes, and schools serve thousands of meals. It makes a big impact.
My sister says her son is a picky eater. He hates the new nuggets.
Kids hate vegetables too. They always complain about school food.
That is true. I hated school food when I was young.
Me too. But this change is permanent. By 2027, no real meat.
I am happy I am not in school. I can eat a real steak for lunch.
You eat steak for lunch? That is heavy.
Sometimes, when I close a big sale.
Well, the world is changing fast. Robots, smart lenses, and lab meat.
It feels like a science fiction movie.
It really does. But we still have to work today.
Yes, unfortunately. The future is here, but the emails are also here.
Speaking of emails, I have to go. My meeting is soon.
Me too. I need to prepare my presentation.
Good luck with your sales, David. Sell a lot.
Thank you, Alex. Good luck with your project review.
I hope the coffee helps us.
The coffee always helps. It is the best fuel.
See you later, David. Maybe at lunch?
Yes, see you later. Have a good morning.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.